Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this multifunctional tooth polisher. Well, I have had one of this before reviewed, and this is another one, basically a different type of that. So it has 5 different intensity modes, IPX6, waterproof, and LED auxiliary lights, and 5 kind of replacement heads. So it has a quick start in 1 second, so auto off goes in 3 minutes. It has USB chargeable, so it supports USB recharging and unloading tool. Basically, if you remember from the previous one, you can remove the head. And portable size, so pretty small. Good, let's open it up. Well, we can open it from here. Let's see what we have got inside. So other way around from here, and here we go. So this is our box. So this is the user manual. Let's see what we have got. So product overview, cleaning head base, LED light on and off, mode change, battery indicator, and mode indicator light. Pretty simple. 5 different heads as well. These heads actually pretty similar, easy I would say, and pretty similar to what we have seen before, and exactly the same I would say. As far as I remember, they look identical. Perhaps this one has a little bit better packaging. With this one they have done a good job. So you have got basically these tools. So you have this, so with this one you can remove the head, so to say, and these ones are the heads that we have got in here. So they are, this one is more like a foam, very dense foam. This one is more soft, I would say, like a plastic. This one is some sort of brush, I would say. This one another type of plastic, pretty strong I would say, and these ones are more like a brush, but very tough brush. So these ones are the heads. Let's put them aside. So there's a USB cable as well for charging it, and this is the unit itself. So let's open this up. So there we go. Really nice product actually from the first glance. Very nicely polished, very nicely designed. Quite nice I would say. So definitely better than the previous one which we have reviewed. So if you haven't watched it, please go and check this out. So there's a very interesting difference with the previous one. So these ones are more like a screw. You see, so this should be screwed in here. So basically we need to close it like this. The previous one was like something that you had to drag it out. However, this one, well, this is also screwed, just a different color. So you can turn it on like this. 1 second start, indeed. So powerful, strong, middle, normal. Soft, normal, middle, strong, powerful. I'll just try it. Actually, it is quite powerful, I would say. Considering the teeth, which is very small, it is powerful. Let's check it out. Look, I can move it, you see? So it's very powerful. And if you put it on the soft, still can move. Interesting. So looking at the bottom of it, so it's a waterproof thing, so it's a USB-C. You can charge and put this cap back, and then it's waterproof. Very nicely designed, very cool product, and quite useful I would say as well. Especially the light could also help seeing like the back teeth. And yeah, hope you liked it. That was a very quick video. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up on daily basis. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.